My name is Hatte van der Woude and I'm the councilwoman for education and youth in Delft. Delft's potential for innovation and entrepreneurship is widely known, and the past only supports this. We all know innovations such as the Hard Hyperloop, the Ocean Cleanup Initiative that cleans the world of plastic waste, or Night Balance that improves your personal long-term well-being. So Delft is already home to a lineup of groundbreaking projects. Despite this success, it is important to continue stimulating innovation and also entrepreneurship among students, but also within the broader population of Delft. By being an inclusive and non-profit community, this makerspace can do this and help empower any person to envision and realize the next big idea. As the councilman for education in Delft, I'm very happy with this initiative and with the fact that it is run by students, and I wish you lots of success. I would now like to introduce to you the very first two projects that started working at the Makerspace, namely Pyropower, a humanitarian student startup focusing on the circular economy, and Lambach Aircraft, a student team focused on innovating and revolutionizing the world of drones.
I'm Joshua. I am a volunteer at Lambach Aircraft. We're currently working on two main projects, Project Aurora and our UAV for heavy lift competitions. And we currently use the Makerspace to produce composite parts and also so for resin infusion, and also to make electronics for our UAVs. So our Project Aurora will be a UAV that will be tailless, so it'll be a flying wing, and it'll be flown completely with solar panels. We're using new solar panels which are flexible, so that it forms nicely to the surface of the wing, and we can maximize the solar panel surface area. And for the heavy lift competition, we're designing different UAVs that integrate the cargo into the aerodynamic profile of the aircraft to reduce drag. And so you can carry more high volume things for the same distance. The support here is really good. So for some items such as 3D printers, which break a lot and have to be maintained quite often, there's always a support group out there that keeps those 3D printers up and running. It'll be there to help you fix them, which shaves off a lot of the developing and prototyping time. And it's very useful, especially when the deadlines are getting closer, and just to keep the design process rolling.
We have enough space here to work on that. We have also the safety, we can take the safety measures that we need, and we can get enough people here to get the work done. And well, it's mostly related to the availability of space that we can really use.
My name is Merdassi. I'm head of sales and marketing at Pyropower. And Pyropower is a sustainable company who uses pyrolysis technology to recycle waste and produce biochar. We have a lot of ambition at Pyropower. Biochar is a carbon capture technology, so we're actually inverting climate change, which is going to impact deeply society. And we want its use to be done by all the local farmers around the world to increase their revenue. We choose Makerspace because we have more freedom of doing what we want, and the actual material here is from really high quality. So we want to improve our prototyping in the pyrolysis world, because there's a lot of ways to make biochar, but just a tiny amount of ways to make it right. And we really want to, the research is really new on it, and we want to improve our way of doing biochar, trying different kinds of ways, different kinds of airflow. And we think that Makerspace offers the technology to actually improve on that. The community here at Makerspace always want you to improve on your product, and if they see you missing something, they're going to invest to help you build that thing better. And it's the kind of vibe that we at Pyropower, as a young company, we enjoy the most.